Coming on a bridge elevator. I believe this is a Montgomery, but I don't know if it was modded. We're about to find out. And of course it was modded by Thyssenkrupp. Yay. Oh, it's here.
Thank you. Wait for it to look up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good.
Well, the door sensors well.
Who wants to get out on a train? Me. Maddie doesn't want to get on the train.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out, don't press the button yet. Stay nearby.
There you go.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
Have a good day, guys. This one has no label. It's got the California code buttons. I swear, it makes me so mad that they make none of these elevators scenic. And look, nobody's waiting. I'm just filming any bridge elevators I stumble upon. Yeah, I think this is the Montgomery. Oh, these very graceful doors. Yeah, it wasn't that graceful. Got brails on these. Alright, that's it.